This is Mark, your other chopstick guy with your small bite of the day. Hey, you know when you're taking portraits, even using a simple setup like a bounce flash and a small speed light, don't forget the importance of using a reflector. Let me show you what I mean. If I take one shot of Jessica here, at first thought, I look at that and say, that is a great photo, because it looks very dramatic and it just looks amazing. But if I add a simple white reflector, and I'll just have Jessica hold that, why don't you turn it towards the light a little bit right there, and I take that exact same portrait, I'm going to fill in those shadows, and look at how great that portrait looks now. Don't forget to use your reflector to fill in the shadows. This is Mark, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day.